Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this model here, and for doing that firstly we draw the sketch, then we will extrude that sketch. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here we have the dimensions, and we have to draw this sketch here. So now I have to close this part. For closing the parts, just come here and choose close. Don't save, okay. Here for creating a new part, just come here, choose new part, okay. Now our part is open, we have a new part, and for drawing this sketch we have to choose a plane, and here we have three planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. And we can create plane in the future, but I will tell you what's the use of these planes. But for now, just click on the front plane and choose sketch. Now our sketch is open. We have to now draw a circle. Here I choose 2-point circle. You can see when I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. We always start with the origin point, so I draw a circle, and here we have another circle. Right click, select, and here choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this circle is 90 millimeter, and the dimension of this circle is 50 millimeter. And here we have a constructed a circle. This circle will help us to draw these lines. So draw a circle here and right click, select, and choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 60 millimeter. Sorry, 60 millimeter. It is 660. I have to apply 60 millimeter, okay. And choose this circle, and in option choose for construction, and the circle will be constructed. Here we have lines, so I choose a line and I draw two lines here. Be careful, the lines must be vertical. Right click and select, and if you can't see the green symbols here, the relations, or you can't see the dimensions, just come here, hide and show items, and turn on or turn off the sketch relations if you can't see the sketch relations or the dimensions. So here we have to draw another line, so I draw a line here. You can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the vertical relation will be applied. And for escaping the tool, just right click and select. We have to connect these two lines by an arc, so I draw a 3-point arc. I mostly use a 3-point arc. These two other types are a little bit useless. So connect these two lines here and right click, select. Hold the control button. I want to make this arc tangent to the circle here. Hold the control button on your keyboard and choose this choose this arc and the circle here and give it tangent relation, okay. Hold the control button and choose this point and the circle here and give it coincident relation, and hold the control button and choose this point and the constructed circle and give it coincident relation. Now it is coincident. Here we have a problem, sorry. This relation is extra. For deleting a relation, just click on the coincident relation and right click and choose delete, so the relation will be deleted. Hold the control button and choose the center of the arc and the origin point, and we have to give it vertical relation, so it is exactly in the middle of the sketch, the arc here. Now we have to draw these lines here, the arc. So I draw a vertical line, so the line must be connected to the bigger circle. I draw a vertical line, so the yellow symbol, okay. Now it is vertical. Right click and I do the same thing in this side of the sketch, okay. Right click, select, and I have to connect these two lines by a 3-point arc, so I connect them by an arc. And now hold the control button and choose this line and this line and give it equal relation here, equal relation. So you can see the green symbol here, equal relation. and hold the control button and choose these two arcs and give it concentric relation. It means that the center of these two arcs will be merged. Our sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. Here choose a smart dimension and give the dimension from this line to the line here, and it is 18 millimeter. Okay, and the dimension from this line to this line is 10 millimeter. Okay, it is 10 millimeter. So and the dimension of this arc is our sketch is moving, and hold the control button and choose this point and this circle here, construct this circle here and give it constant relation. Now it's perfect. You have to pattern these arcs around the circle here. Here choose a circular sketch pattern and choose this one, this parameter, and choose the origin point. It means that the entities will be patterned around the origin point, and here choose entities to patterns and choose the lines here, 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 and these two entities. And we wanna pattern 3 of them, so I choose 3. I wanna pattern 3 entities, and be careful, the degree must be 360 degree, and it must be 3 and equal spacing. Okay. Our sketch is not fully defined because we have to give it a relation. So hold the control button and choose this point and the circle here and give it constant relation. And choose this point and the circle here and give it constant relation. Now it is fully defined. You can see the here is fully defined, and I can't move my sketch, and it is perfect. Now we have to trim here, so I choose trim entity and I trim this part of the sketch. Okay. Now we have to extrude the sketch. If you can't draw the sketch, you won't be able to design any model. And this is the reason why I am uploading videos about drawing a sketch, and drawing a sketch is very, very important. Here choose a feature. So I mostly work with a sketch and feature, but I will tell you what's the use of the other tabs in SolidWorks. Choose extruded boss and base, and here choose selected contour and choose these areas, this area and this area, and choose them one by one. Okay, this one, this one, and this one, and extrude it about 60 millimeter. It's perfect. Now we have the model. You can change the appearance of the model. You can change the appearance of your model. So come here in appearances scenes and choose aluminum and polish aluminum. For example, you can change the material, and as you change the material, the color of the appearance of the model will be changed, or you can change the color of the model. For example, you can change it to yellow or green or red. It depends on you, what's the taste of you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos. Thanks for watching this video.